Hi everyone. Today I wanted to talk to you about Sale-a-Bration. Sale-a-Bration is for the first time in the summer, and at least for me, I've been a demonstrator 15 years. I don't remember a summer Sale-a-Bration, but Sale-a-Bration is normally January, February, and March. It's one big long Sale-a-Bration, and this time Stampin' Up decided to do two smaller Sale-a-Brations, and so this is the first time that we've had it in the summer months, and that's really cool because the winter mini comes out now, and so you can get winter mini stuff with Sale-a-Bration, and that's the first time that's ever happened in my memory. So I wanted to talk to you about Sale-a-Bration. It starts today, well, if you're watching this today, August 3rd, and then it's going to run through the end of September. So you get 2 months, and there's so much to choose from. So you're going to maybe want to put an order in August and another one in September so you can earn more things. And so it's really great, the items, and I want to show you each thing that you can choose. So let's get started. There are $50 items free with a $50 purchase, and then there are some that are free with a $100 purchase. So I'm going to turn my camera over and show you what you can choose from. Okay, so here is the Sale-a-Bration catalog, and I'll have this up at my blog, bestpapercuts.com, and I'll have the mini catalog up at the blog as well, and so you can see even more choices. But you can also look at the online store. And so Sale-a-Bration, like I said, has some items that are free with a $50 purchase and some that are free with a $100 purchase. And one of the items that is free with a $50 purchase is called Bedazzling Specialty Paper. And this is 6x6, 8 sheets, and it's like glimmer paper, but it is not glimmer paper. That's what some people have been asking me. Is this the same as our glimmer paper? And it's not really. I mean, it has kind of that same look, but it's a little more, I don't know how to say, special, and I wish I had one. I actually had a pack, and it was a friend's birthday, and I gave it to her because I figured I'd get more. I always do end up with multiples of the Sale-a-Bration items, so I knew I would get more, and I just wasn't thinking about the fact that I wanted to film it, but I'm glad that I gave it to her anyway. But this is a really fun paper. It's actually, looks almost like a mirror ball, like a disco ball or something, or just, it's little tiny dots, sequins maybe, or glitter. It's just really pretty. And here they're showing it where they used Stampin' Spritzer with some ink and colored it different colors. So you've got some options there, and I will show some items with it as soon as I get it. I know I'll get more of it. But that's free with a $50 purchase, and that's great to have all year round with anything. This one's my favorite. I've actually gotten, I've gotten several of these already because it's so stinking cute. It's this paper, and it's called Penguin Playmates. Oh, I thought I had an open one. Well, here, let's open this one. Okay, so it's these cute penguins. Now, this paper is great all by its little self, and it's adorable, but let me show you how adorable. So you've got these really cute little penguins, and I love the fox and the polar bear. I showed this in my sneak peek unboxing video a while ago. Here's the back, some nice trees. And I love these little friends. I love the way that the artist made the little animals, and the fox and the polar bear. It's so cute. And then the back papers, the backgrounds here are great all year round. So maybe you still have some of this paper left over and you don't need it for penguins anymore. The back sides are really great for anything. Here's some more of those adorable penguins and the fox. This time they've added a snowman. And here's the back of that one. That can be for everything. Here's more friends. So you've got the fox doing different things. You've got the polar bear in different positions. Snowman. Here's the back. That one I love. So great. And then here you've got, here's those same little friends doing different things. Now they're sledding. And here's the back of that. And one more. Now they've added a cute little bunny to the friends, and they're building a snowman. It's super cute. And then the back of that, super useful little dots. So great paper, but what makes it even more fun is that in the winter mini catalog is this adorable Penguin Place stamp and paper punch. So this is something you can purchase from the mini catalog, and then when your purchase reaches $50, you can choose these papers for free. So this is a no-brainer. It's so cute. Penguin Playmates, and it goes with the Penguin's Place bundle. And this is in the mini catalog. Super cute. I love it. So the punch, if you're not sure, what is this? So I have it upside down. So you would punch this maybe in black cardstock, or you can punch out the stamp. So you can either do cardstock or stamp. If you decide to do cardstock and you want to do black cardstock for the penguin's body, you know, the penguin has white on the inside, so then you would punch black in this side and then stick some white cardstock in over here, and then you've got the inside, so you can do a black and white cardstock penguin paper, you know, piecing of paper, or the stamped image. Either one, you've got options. And then they only gave you 1 foot, but you would punch out 2. So super cute. I love it. All right, so that's an option, $50 option. Now another one is this really pretty, it says feels like home, and it's just a really one. If you love coloring techniques, this is a great one. Stamp it in permanent ink, like a StazOn, and you can do watercoloring on that. You can use your Stampin' Blends. You can do different things. The sayings are nice, and it's just really pretty. I love the little bike with the basket. I have a bike with a little wicker basket, so it kind of reminds me of my bike. And it's just a cute, really pretty stamp set, and that's a nice one. This is free with a $50 purchase. All right, next is another paper. They gave a lot of paper options, which is great. So maybe you've got a lot of stamps, but these papers might tempt you. So the papers here, if you notice, are all gray and white. And a lot of times they do black and white. This time they did gray and white. And these are going to be really pretty if you leave them as is, as an accent, but also with some sponging techniques or coloring. You can color in the flowers if you want, or leave them black and white. You can go over huge sections with a sponge and get some really pretty backgrounds as well. So you've got floral, and then on the back, just a nice little accent. And here's another, that's the same one, sorry. Instead of having 2 of everything, there's like 4 of everything. So here's another one, and that's a really fun watercolor. And if you've seen the hand-penned paper, this is the hand-penned paper just turned gray. And so there's 4 of these. And again, you could sponge a color over here or leave it white and gray. And then here's the other side. Really fun to color this with your Stampin' Blend. That would look really nice. And that way you've got custom papers to go with whatever you need. Here's another one, and the back of this one, dots. So these 2 probably you might want to leave as they are, because you can use dots, are great accents, and black and white is a really great accent on a lot of things. So that is another choice. Beautifully penned, and it matches the hand-penned suite from the annual catalog. So if you've already got that one was pretty popular, so a lot of people have it hand-penned, and you can still purchase that. So if you buy that suite of products, you can choose this paper for free with the $50 order. All right, the next one also has, I mean, they've really done a great job coordinating. This one matches another stamp and punch bundle. It's called Peaceful Deer, and so this is in the mini. And if you purchase the bundle and then have your order reach $50, you can choose this paper as your free item. Now this punch will punch out the deer, so that's fun. But also you can use, I mean, it's got Christmas accents, and then also the back sides are good all year round. This is a fun little bundle. So here we go. You've got the one that matches the punch, but on the back you've got a buffalo check, which is awesome. And then I really like this one. Look at it's kind of cartoony, but it's like birch trees and it's super cute. And then on the back, a really nice candy cane stripe, always useful at the holiday time. And then I really like these snowflakes, and on the back of that you've got another like plaid. Really useful. Here's the trees, and see the trees have a buffalo check in them too, which is really great. And then here on the back, just a dot, useful all year round. Here you've got some snowflake patterns, and on the back kind of a stripy, kind of like could be pine needles, so it does have a feel of Christmas if you want to say these are pine needles, but you don't have to. You can say they're just little hashtags, hash marks, and they're really great. Here's some more of those deers, or deer. And then on yet another plaid. So the back papers and the front really are so useful for all year round, but also holiday stuff if you're in the holiday mood yet. I haven't made a single holiday thing yet just because my mind isn't there yet, but I know I want to get some of these papers now because my mind will get there once kids are back in school probably. Okay, counting sheep, super cute. If you got the darling donkeys last time, you've got a whole bunch of animals now. And the sheep are really cute. So you've got counting sheep. And it's just a cute little set. You can add a little hat for a birthday, and it's just a simple little sheeps being happy. So you can do, you know, so glad it's your birthday, and it goes nicely with the donkeys, like I said, or there's that Peekaboo Farm in the annual catalog. So super cute. That's free with a $50 purchase, and then also free with a $50 purchase. So if you had 100, you could do both. Is the matching sheep dies. So the dies are really fun. They've got something you can cut out each one of the 3 sheep plus the hat, and then they've added some things: a cloud, a sun, a little flag, another cloud, a balloon, and this cute little fence. So then of course you can have your sheep having a good old time jumping over the fence. And those things that I thought were clouds, turns out you can use them for clouds or grass, little bushes. So how cute is that? I never would have thought to done that. I would have seen them and just instantly went with cloud and not even thought to do that. But how clever that they turned them into little bushes. So cute. Anyway, super cute little stamp set. Very versatile, very cute. And so that's, both of these are free with a $50 purchase. So if you want both of them, then you would get them free with a $100 purchase. Next to textures and frames. So this one is really basic. There's no words here, but how cute. You can, you know, put that "You Are Amazing" little stamp from this one. Fits right in there. So you can imagine putting a sentiment inside of the little frame or inside of the circle. You can layer these and make different things. You can use this splatter for background. Just so many things. This is kind of versatile. It can go with anything, and they've shown you how to use the shapes as backgrounds and different things like that. So cute little, here's, they made it into like little hash marks, and just create your own background with those stripes. So really cute little textures and frames stamp set. Okay, now here, this is a bigger die set. So yeah, we had the other die set that was free with a $50 purchase, but this one is bigger, and it's called Summer Shadows Dies. And I thought, do I even have the shaded summer stamp set? And I don't have the shaded summer stamp set, but this kind of made me look at it a little closer, and it does have some really gorgeous flower images, and I thought, maybe I want it. So I did in fact order the shaded summer stamp set. It's not here yet, but I did get the dies. So super cute, and you can use them without the stamp. Some of these are great all on their own, and then if you have the stamp set, you can also use the outline ones. But look how pretty this is, and you can imagine layering these two on top of each other. These two can be layered on top of each other, and then these two can be layered on top of each other. So you can do a lighter green and a darker green on the leaf. Really pretty. So these detail dies are here. Super, see? So they're a little larger than they look in the picture, so that's kind of what I want. Why I wanted to show you. Look how nice these are. You can add this flower. It's so pretty. And just imagine it on top and what you can do with this. It's such a big and beautiful, let's see if I can get it right. I think I had it right. There we go. So big and beautiful flower. And then again, this one can layer on top of this one. So you can do some different tones on here. So pretty. Just pretty. And then you can, you know, always use flowers on accents. This one layers on this one. So cute. So even without the stamp set, you can use these dies, but if you have the stamp set, that'll just make it even more useful. I think I did that right. Okay, so that is Summer Shadow Dies, free with a $100 purchase. Okay, next up, this one is beautiful. This is called Delicate Dahlias, and it's one of those distinctive stamp sets, which means that it's made up of tiny little, the ink sits on tiny little dots in the stamp. It's so hard to say what I mean, but if you had it in person, you would see that there's just tiny little etched dots in here to make the ink heavy and light in different areas. So you've got all these tones in here. You've got dark and light areas that are going to just really give some detail to these images here. And it's just really pretty. And then also, obviously, the bold one that you can color in different techniques. Imagine this would be beautiful embossed in some kind of gold embossing. Just really pretty. And then really nice little sentiments to go with that. So that is a beautiful stamp set here. They've colored them. And, oh, here's the gold embossed. I know I must have seen that somewhere. Here it is. Gold embossed dahlias. And This one is showing you the distinctive ones. So really pretty. I know I'm going to enjoy using this one. And this one is a larger, like I said, a larger stamp set. 2 sheets. And so this one is free with a $100 purchase. This is one of those ones that people are going to be looking for. When Sale-a-Bration is all over, you're going to say, oh, why didn't I grab that one? Okay, and then one last thing I want to point out is there's a free host set. So you know how you get host rewards when your orders reach $150 or more. So for Sale-a-Bration, they like to sometimes add a little something extra for people whose orders reach a little higher. So if your order reaches $300 or more, not only are you going to get to choose several items, because you've got you can either choose 6 items at $50 level, or you can choose several at the $100 level, or any combination thereof, but you also get this free stamp set. And the fun thing about this one is that this is called In Your Words, and the reason for that is because Stampin' Up actually asked us what we wanted to say on a stamp set, and they kind of put out a questionnaire, and demonstrators were able to suggest things. So these are actually in the words, in your words of demonstrators. So that's kind of fun. And I think that's a really cute thing. So this is a free with a host set of $300 or more. And that's in addition to the hostess rewards you already get. Now, you don't have to have a party. This is host rewards. They say that if you have, you can gather items together from your friends and host an online party or host a party together, and I can put that to help you put that together, or if you just have a big order for yourself. So if you either gather some orders together for a friend, whoever does all that gathering maybe could get the free set. Or if you yourself have, you know, maybe you're getting a lot of stuff, you're going to stock up now during Sale-a-Bration, so your order is going to reach that all by yourself, you still get it. So that's the free host set. Really fun Sale-a-Bration offering this year. I hope that you enjoy it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. And again, this goes until the end of September, but these items are all while supplies last. And there's a few things that I think will go faster than others. I kind of feel like this bedazzling paper, because a lot of people, it's so, I don't know, versatile for everything, that I think that bedazzling paper is going to go fast. That penguin, I've already had a few of my customers have orders that they want me to place on the 3rd, and most have chosen this penguin paper, I have to say. And I myself have gotten several sheets, several packs of the penguin paper, and just all of them are really pretty. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact me. I am happy to help you figure out Sale-a-Bration. And that's it. I will have this catalog and this catalog up at my bethspapercuts.com blog, and you can click on the catalogs there, and there's also a shop with me button that you can click on there as well, so you can go ahead and get your items. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.